Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about an urban legend known as Teke Teke, which comes from Japan. I chose this legend because it is both fascinating and fascinating. It shows how stories can be used to explain fear and warn people about danger. You might have heard similar stories in your own culture, haven't you? The Teke Teke is described as the ghost of a young woman who was tragically cut in half by a train. It is said that his body was separate, and now her spirit moves using her hands or elbows, making a teke-teke sound as she drags herself forward. According to the legend, if someone encounters her at night, they might be chased and attacked. People say that she asks questions, and if the wrong answer is given, the victim will be killed. Some versions claim that her story has been told to scare children into avoiding dangerous places like train tracks. The origin of the teke-teke may be linked to railway accidents in Japan. It was reported that in the past tragic deaths near train stations lead to ghost stories being spread. Others say that the spirit would appear to those who ignore warnings, so the legend might have been created of the Azores desert. If the accident had not happened, the Teke-Teke legend might never have existed. If people were more aware of rail dangers, fewer accidents might occur and stories like this would not be needed. On the other hand, if the category were real, society would have to change drastically and people would avoid going all night outside. In my opinion, urban legends like Teke Teke are powerful because they convey culture and moral lessons. They can be interpreted as warnings that are meant to protect people, although they are not proven to be real. They continue to influence behavior and imagination. I believe that these stories should be remembered as they reflect the fears and values of society. So, if you ever hear someone take a ticket, some behind you, would you dare to turn around?